Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel has been created for SAP knowledge, where we are looking multi-module SAP SD, MM, PP, inventory management. So different type of video I'm going to upload. So today I'm starting with master data. That is a master data where we are looking in material master, customer master, condition record. There is different type of master data. What is the master data? Master data is that we have to create a one time, and uh, that will use usable for the multiple time, and no need to create the every time for the any other sector. So this is the one time activity we have to perform in the system. Before starting, uh, if you want to see my video and you have to keep updated, so click on subscribe button, click on like button, click on bell button so you can get notification. uh, so then I can I will update uh, my YouTube channel continuously as per your and you can comment also what type of if you what type of video you have required, or any requirement is there, so we can do like that. So let's start. This is the material master first. That is the this is the T code field. Where we put the T code, that is MM01, and press keyboard enter or click on this enter button. So this is the initial material master creation field. Here select the industrial sector. Industry sector. What is industry? Industry sector. This is the type of industry. What type of industry where we are performing, or where we are creating this material master, that type of industry sector is that aerospace and defense is the service provider, engineer and construction, this is beverage, chemical industry, food and related products, mechanical engineering, pharmaceutical, retailing. There are different type of industry sectors. So we have to we have to create accordingly material. So every sector has their own specific area. So we have one organizational structure for the mobile industry. We are creating we are going to create one material for mobile, that is industry sector is engineering. Material type is what, that is finished goods. Material type, what is material type? In standard SAP there are different type of material, different types or material. Type of material we can create, like finished goods, semi-finished goods, trading goods, raw material. Generally we use this four type of material. There are different type of material also available, so we can create. Just we are going to how to create the we are going to see how to create the material in SAP. We are creating finished goods. Click on enter. We are getting this error message, internal number assign is not possible, because this is the configuration part where for this material type the internal material number is not assigned, so we have to fit the external number range. We can give any number range, that is uh, I have assigned the number range, that is the alphanumeric. I'm going to send 012. So 012. Okay, that is the material creation. Now click on enter. This is the view we have to select. In which view, view wise we have to enter the data. That is the basic view, general view where we have to maintain some general data for the specific material or plant level. This is the sales view. Sales organization data 1, sales organization data 2, general plant data. This is the sales view. This specific areas, what data we have maintained in this area, that is the specific data is performed in the sales area. So we can see this area also, how we can get it uh, implemented or impacted. We can display this data in the sales scenario. In next video, I can explain this, all those fields. And this is the purchasing. This is purchasing related, purchasing the scenario related data we have to maintain. This is the planning related MRP, material resource planning. Generally, these fields are used in the uh, plant plant of production PP module. The production plan module we use this for data, but some fields is required for sales or MM also. So I selected those ones. This is the general plant level data. This is accounting related data. Every material should get create some accounting entry in background. So this is the field accounting 1, accounting 2, the costing 1, costing 2. This is relevant to FI related. Okay, then click on OK. This is the organizational level. Select the plant, for which plant we have to create this, material. This is my plant. Okay. Storage location, in which storage location material should be exist. This is sales organization, because we have selected sales area view. So this data is mandated. If this is not selected, then we cannot maintain any sales related data in this view. Okay, then click on OK. Now just give the general data here. This is the material number we have assigned the externally. And now we have to give the material number, material name, like description we call it. This is Spice Mobile related industry we have already created in the system, and we are looking about this industry. This is the Spice Mobile and model number A1A. Already A1A is created, so I'm going to create A1B. Base unit. What is the base unit for this particular material? How, in which unit we have to sell or which unit we have to purchase, this unit we have to maintain. According that, this is the base unit, that is the default unit will be there, and we are selecting as a each. And material group. Material group is for which, in which group we have to consider this material. That is the electronic. Mobile is the electronic material. So I selected 00103 the material type. Select the division. There, this is the part of the sales area. So we'll talk about the sales area and what is the division, what is the distribution channel, and what is the sales organization. We're talking about this in next video. So first of all, this is the Spice Mobile. This is the atom category group. It's the most important part. This is non. So in the general atom category, that will be identified the what type of material should be created. Maybe that is the third party, that is the uh, service related, or that is the make to order. So now we are this is the standard normal material. Okay, this fine. Then here gross weight. What is the gross weight of this particular product? We are creating a mobile. You know that mobile weight is not in kg. So you can select the gram. Okay, this is the gram. In okay, gross weight will be 120 and net weight will be 100 gram. So why we are giving this weight? Because in cells or in MM module, this is the calculation type of field where generally this field is used for the freight calculation in purchase scenario or sales scenario. Okay, then press enter. Now no record any data in basic directory. This is the sales order view. So what is the sales unit? Because this is the base unit, that is the default unit. If we have keep the same sales unit, then no need to uh, give no need to give any say unit over here. If uh, if we have different measure of unit, so here we have to set in the box. So that is the box is the sales unit. Then delivering plant, where we from where we have to process this delivery process. That is the plant we are mentioning over. Okay. Then this is the taxation part. Generally we use the taxation in zero tax, half tax and full tax. So now I am selecting the full tax. Here also full tax. Two types of taxes been created. Just a minute. Yeah. Then three are the full. This is the one of the most important field. There now because for base unit is the each and sales unit is a box. So there this calculation should be maintained. If in each box how much quantity should be there and 1:1. Okay. Then okay. And we are in the cells organization 2. No need to maintain anything is there. This is the availability check. So what is the use of this field? If there is any missing data or data is not available in the system, so whenever you will create any transactional data, if you are creating any sales order, so every time it will be so it will be check the availability of stock. So I'm keeping as a no check. Yeah. But you want, then you can keep it anything as per your business scenario requirement. You can create like this. So I'm taking as a no check, no required any check for this particular material in my system. This is the transportation group. Transportation, how we have to transport this material. So selecting the palette, then loading group. We have to load this in the particular transport manually. Now in the purchasing group, purchasing, where we can maintain the default purchasing group, and we can keep as a order unit, that is the purchase order unit, in which unit we have to purchase that unit we can maintain over here, but the purchasing as a each. So then enter. This is the MRP type, material resource planning, that I was told you this is used for the PP model. Material type, sorry, MRP type is no planning, because if I'll check the PD MRP, then it will it is required a lot of planning data, so I'm selecting no planning. If you are required, then you can select as required whatever your MRP type is required in your industry, that type of MRP type you can select. Press enter. You can now none of data is required over here. Yeah, tell me one thing about this. This is the PP related data. If you maintain some planning related data, so that time you have to maintain all this data. Special procurement or in-house procurement type, right? That is in-house or external. So if you click, then no need to procurement for this particular method. Okay. So right now I'm not going to enter any procurement or PP related data or MRP related data. So I'm going to next. Okay, same data is carrying forward. MRP is 4. There also okay. Plant region data. Here we can give here the how to store this data in the storage. If this is the some sensitive temperature sensitive data, then we can keep it here. So that is the requirement should be there in the storage, unless this material will be destroyed or maybe damaged. So this storage condition should be there. We are not doing anything here. That is the weight already here. Okay. This is the accounting. Your valuation class is required. So in this particular valuation class, this valuation will be calculated of this particular matter. So I'm giving the price. This is the initial price. Maybe it can be higher. And you can get as per your industry website. Okay. Okay. In costing, we are not maintaining anything in costing. Okay, there is some data is saved. Enter. We are asking for save. Click on yes. This is the matter number has been created. Just note it down, this material number, and then you can use this. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.